Hi, my name's Paul Wise. I'm the electrical manager here at Logic4training and welcome to the electrical workshop. I'd like to have a chat with you today just about our new Entrant electrical course. This course has been designed for individuals who have no previous experience and would like to enter into the electrical industry, and also for those who are already in the industry and wish to improve their knowledge and also their skills. The course itself is a 27-day course and it consists of 3 different qualifications in 3 different modules. Those modules, as I say, are done over 27 days, which actually fits into a 6-week period. The first module, which consists of an electrical fundamental training and also installation fundamental training, also with a training and practical assessments in connection with building regulations in domestic properties. This module is a 4-week course, or the first 4 weeks of the 6 weeks. Okay, it consists of a number of practical assessments and also some theory assessments as well. Some scenario write-ups. All the training for those will be done prior to those happening, and once on completion of those assessments, the successful learner will then have a level 3 qualification. Following on from that, which would be the 5th week of the course, it's focused around the electrical regulations. There's only 3 days to this actual course, and in that 3 days there'll be training of the regulation book itself, how to navigate that, where to find information. And on the final day of that course, there will be an online multiple choice exam. Finally, the final week, which consists of 4 days, is inspection and testing. It's known as initial verification. This is so individuals who have installed electrical systems are able to inspect and test them to be able to verify that they are actually safe to use. Like the other courses, there are 2 to 3 days worth of practical and theory training. There is 1 day of a practical assessment, and lastly there is an online multiple choice exam for that. Once all of these 3 modules have been completed and they have been passed, this would allow all the successful learners to be able to apply for electricians' jobs, electrician mate jobs, or improver jobs within the industry. It would be the first step on the ladder for them to become domestic installers. I'd like to talk to you about our Advanced Installer course, or what's also known as the Qualified Supervisor Award. This course has been specifically designed for those individuals who have got experience within the electrical industry. It is not a training course as such, it is a demonstration of knowledge. There are 5 practical assessments and 4 exams that will need to be completed for this qualification to be awarded. The course has a duration of 4 weeks in centre. During that 4 weeks, individuals are not required to be in attendance every day. They will only need to be here for the days where they are having assessments. We've developed a lot of online revision materials which all of our learners have access to, which they can use to revise before any of those exams or the assessments. This allows our learners to be quite flexible about how they do their revision. Also, it will allow the learners to be able to contact their trainers if there are any gaps in knowledge or anything they'd like to talk about. The Qualified Supervisor Award is a level 3 qualification. It will allow individuals who are successful to be able to apply to the Competent Person Scheme, which will then allow them to sign off of their own work. So, if this sounds like the sort of thing that you would be interested in, and you did want to get into the industry or improve your current skills, we offer induction open days, which you can ring up and book for. Alternatively, you can ring our customer services and they would be able to give you some cost options and also availability.